A question for good practicing attorneys. We are in a lawsuit. I filed a lawsuit against whomever you're representing. And in your responses, you refer to a case in that same district where I filed the court case. And you claim I appeared unrepresented when I was represented. You also claim a case was dismissed for lack of merit. In fact, not just one case, but you list a handful. And that is not true either, which would indicate to me that you didn't really read the entire, you didn't read the case to learn how it was disposed. But my question is, why would you do this? Because anybody can dig up the court documents and read for themselves and see that you misrepresented the facts. Just in general, why would a lawyer do that? I was about to take a sip of my coffee. Let me know. I would like to learn.